Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to show you the progress of this Colt Python that I'm having redone for a friend of mine. It's a 1970 Colt Python. Yesterday I posted a video of me scratching it. People went wild on this. So I'm going to show you where it stands right now. This is going to be the last day it's with me until it goes for the rebluing process. So here's the scratches I put on it yesterday. I took the finish off of it, freaked everybody out. See the scratches on the side of it. So this is a 1970 Colt Python, and it was in fair condition, not great condition. And a young lady that I know always wanted one of these. She appreciates true craftsmanship and fine products and all that, and she knows they're really expensive. I found this one very reasonable. It's probably the cheapest one I've ever found, and she's like I am. She's not looking to profit off of somebody. She's not getting it to resell it. So we're gonna make it perfect, and if all the collectors lose their mind over that, then so be it. And I had to remove the first person from the channel yesterday because I was told that I was taking advantage of somebody that didn't know what they were looking at, and I was profiting on this gun. Well, just so everybody knows, I didn't buy this gun. I only found this gun, and I steered her in the right direction of where to go get it. She purchased it. We took it to the range yesterday. She's extremely happy with it. I said, wear it out. We don't even have to clean it now. And we did. She got acquainted with it, and now it's in my possession. And about a week's time, it's going to look like brand new. So first thing I'm going to show you is this sight. Whoever redid this, let me see if I can get it to focus here. So this sight, whoever put this in, did not know what they were doing. This is a insert, and they did a terrible job on it, and that's going to get redone. The finish, when they refinished it, the trigger is a little bit different color, and the cylinder release is a little bit different color. The hammer was done incorrectly. The sides of this should be blued, and then the rest of it should be polished. That's going to be correct when it's done. Let me see if I can find some other imperfections. There's just minor little handling spot. It had some muzzle wear up front, you know, from the thing, from going in holsters and stuff like that. It's all going to be corrected. And what I've been working on today is the grips. So I've got all the finish stripped off of these grips. Yep, I did the evil thing. I stripped all the finish off of original Gen 2 Colt Python grips. And these things are expensive. Look them up on eBay. See what they actually sell for, not what they're asking. But it's several $100s what you have to pay for a good set of these grips. These looked horrible. And I'm in the middle of refinishing them. I'm going to restore these looking like brand new. This is the last day this gun is going to be with me for about a week or so, and I'm going to I've got all the finish stripped off of it. That's why it looks very dull. And I'm going to fit them to this revolver perfectly, better than the factory did. I'm going to you know, line up these where they come apart, the little grooves. I'm going to fix all that. And where they meet together is going to be like a perfect smooth line and all that. And once they're fitted to the revolver perfectly, then I'm going to run the revolver to the gunsmith, and he's going to start his magic on it. I believe he's going to video refinishing this thing too. And if he decides to do that, I'll post a video, give you a link of where he's going to do that at, and you can watch that. But I'm going to tell you something, folks. I don't rip anybody off. I'm not in this to make money. This is costing me money to do this for a friend of mine. They're not paying a dime to fix this gun up. It's just somebody that wanted a cool revolver, wanted a Colt Python, and I happened to find one at a reasonable price. And I'm not charging anything to do this. I'm doing this for the fun of it because I like to tinker with stuff, and I know that I can make this gun perfect again. And as a matter of fact, I told her at the range, I was like, this was a lot of money to spend on this revolver. If you're having buyer's remorse, I'll buy it from you right now, and I'll just keep it. And she didn't want to do that, so she wants to keep this thing, and she should want to keep this thing because it's going to be awesome. But yeah, I had to remove this guy from YouTube. He straight up just said that I was ripping somebody off and I was profiting. I was going to split the money with a buddy of mine. I don't even know what money he's talking about or what buddy he's talking about. But I let him know in no uncertain terms that that was not what I'm doing here. He doesn't know me. He never will know me. And he's no longer welcome on my YouTube channel. So I'll take negative comments. I understand everybody's got different opinions, but nobody's going to call me a thief. That's just not going to happen in this world. And I will cut you down at the knees if you do that. That's just ridiculous. But I hope everybody follows along with the progress of this. It's going to be about a week and a half project. This gun's going to look like brand new. But I just want to show you the grips where they are now. They're real dull looking, and they're being fitted to this revolver by myself. I'm not a professional at this. I'm not a professional grip restore person. I'm not a professional gun restore person, but I know that I can do this. I put my mind to it. I can do anything, and so can everybody else. Don't be afraid to just dive into something like this. It's not that hard. You just figure it out. You know, that's what I've done my whole life. I'm like, whatever obstacles in front of me, I just say, I'll figure it out. And up till now, I've pretty much been able to figure it out. But it cracked me up, the the amount of backlash I got from scratching the side of this revolver on something that we were removing the finish from anyway. people are stupid. But yeah, I laughed. I explained it to a couple people what was going on here, but the one guy, he had to go. And if anybody else feels the need to say that I'm ripping somebody off when they don't know me, well, they're going to go too. I mean, it's real simple as that. And I will only take it for so long. I don't have to do this. I do this for fun. I do this to inform people, and I'll just stop doing it altogether if it got too bad. But let me know what you think of my grip restore. They look really dull now. There's no finish on them. I soaked them in acetone overnight, and then I took a Scotch-Brite and removed all the finish from them. I'm not going to restain them because I want to keep the original stain color to them. And when you apply the finish to it, it'll bring this grain out really good, and they'll look awesome. It'll be a really good set of grips. It'll have good color. It'll be really rich looking and all that. But this revolver's going to look fantastic, and she'll be proud to own this thing, as she should be, and anybody should be. So if anybody's, I mean, it's going to be really hard to do, but if anybody wanted a Colt Python, this is absolutely doable. You just buy one that's got a little bit of cosmetic issues. You don't have to pay the white glove collector price for it and have it redone. If you're planning on reselling it, then you're buying it for the wrong reason anyway. If you just want to keep it and have an awesome revolver, that's the route to go. This thing's 50 years old, so it is going to have some wear on it because this person actually used it that owned this thing. So, and it got well used yesterday at the range. It's going to be well used in the future, and I'm going to go over with them, the owner of this gun, how to clean it when they're done shooting it, and it'll always look brand new when they're done. But anyway, folks, thanks for listening to my rant, and thank you very much for watching this video. I'll keep you posted on how it's going. Look out for the new videos on the progress of it, and you folks have a great day.